I hadn't been on the internet to talk about it, but actually Ben Don's my nigga. So
Ben is like he's one of the funniest.
Putting that out there, real player. Shouts out Ben Don.
My boy bad.
I'm fucking with DDG. You know, weirdly enough, I actually don't have many fits on here, but I fought with DDG. I think DDG is like a solid 8.
Okay, 8.
I think he's like a solid 8. He's solid 8. He understands it.